Chocolate-covered strawberries always sounds like something festive, romantic, and delicious. Let's go together through this fun and delicious process. Wash and dry the strawberries, leaving the stems attached. Drying is a very important step, that's why I will give it a lot of attention and dry my strawberries one by one using paper towel. Chocolate will stick much better to dry strawberries. Half of my strawberries I will attach to wooden sticks. It will make a little easier to dip it into the chocolate, and the other half I will leave without sticks. The strawberries are ready, let's work with the chocolate. I will take about 500 grams of semi-sweet chocolate chips. I will use dark chocolate and white chocolate. Place 2/3 of it in a medium-sized mixing bowl and leave on the side the remaining 1/3 of the chocolate. Place that mixing bowl with the chocolate on top of the pot with gently simmering water. Not boiling water, just gently simmering. Stir chips constantly until melted. Then take the bowl off the heat and add another 1/3 of the remaining chocolate right away. Continue to stir until it gets all smooth and melted. Repeat the same process for the white chocolate. Now let's start the fun part. Let's start dipping strawberries into the chocolate. Dipping it with wooden sticks or without wooden sticks, hold the green leaves on the back so they don't get messy with the chocolate. Gently dip the strawberry into the chocolate, make the twist and cover the strawberry from all sides and place it somewhere standing up. I will use the foam platform. The strawberries without the stems, just hold by the leaves, cover them with the chocolate from all sides and place on a plate. Those strawberries will have one side of flattened chocolate. I will dip some of my strawberries into the white chocolate as well. Also, if you're planning to decorate your strawberries with some colored sugar, with sprinkles or maybe some nuts, do it now while your chocolate is not set. When you're done with all those processes, place your strawberry covered in chocolate into the refrigerator for about 30 minutes so the chocolate can set. Meanwhile, we prepare the chocolate bags for decoration. Make one of each. One bag with dark chocolate, another one with white chocolate. Now take them out from the refrigerator and have fun decorating it. Just use your imagination and create your own design. Place them back into the refrigerator for another 30 minutes so the decorations can set. That could be very delicious dessert and a very romantic present for any occasion, for Valentine's Day, for Mother's Day. Watch this video to the end and I will share with you a couple of ideas how to present those beautiful and delicious strawberries. If you have leftover melted chocolate, don't throw it out. Refrigerate it in bags and you can reuse it when you need it next time. Just place it in hot water and melt it again. I'm making those strawberries for a very special occasion and very special person. So here's an idea how to greet your guests. Make those little cute strawberry boxes as a party favors. Also, I made a flower bouquet with the strawberries for a very special person, for my mom. Visit my channel and I will show to you step by step how to make that bouquet for your special person. Thank you for visiting Katya's Kitchen. Come back again for simple and delicious recipes and ideas.